Iba't ibang pagsasanay ang nakakasa sa West Philippine Sea kung saan itinalaga ng Armed Forces of the Philippines ang magiging exercise box. Samantala, hindi lang sa Senado kundi pati sa Kamara ay nagkaroon ng bangayan hinggil sa West Philippine Sea. May report si Patrick De Jesus.
May buwelta ang Armed Forces of the Philippines sa pagbatikos ng China hinggil sa pagtalaga ng Pilipinas ng large-scale exercise zone sa karagatan at himpapawid ng West Philippine Sea kasama ang Estados Unidos at iba pang mga katuwang na bansa at kabilang dito ang Scarborough Shoal o Bajo de Masinloc. Una nang naglabas ng Notice to Airmen and All Mariners o NOTAM na nagsimula noong January 21 na magtatagal hanggang sa March 31. Pinakauna sa naging aktibidad ang Maritime Cooperative Activity sa pagitan ng US Indo-Pacific Command at AFP noong nakaraang linggo na nilahukan ng mga barko at aircraft ng dalawang bansa. Ayon sa AFP, hindi pag-uudyok ng gulo ang mga isinasagawang pagsasanay ng bansa sa loob ng ating exclusive economic zone.
Areas that we have sovereignty, sovereign rights, and jurisdiction. It includes Bajo de Masinloc. It is more than 600 nautical miles from mainland China. No provision of international law supports their claim or their accusation. On the other hand, many more such activities and notices will be issued in the coming months.
Muli ring iginiit ng AFP na may mga ebidensya kung sino ang gumagawa ng gulo at panghihimasok sa karagatan.
Historically, the Philippines has been on the receiving end of coercive and aggressive actions. We have not claimed what is not ours. Numbers do not lie. People do. Each time we have an activity, we issue notices either to airmen or mariners. The other side is just making a big deal out of it.
Base sa monitoring ng Philippine Navy noong huling linggo ng Enero, namataan ng 48 barko ng PLA Navy at China Coast Guard kung saan pinakamarami rito ay nasa Bajo de Masinloc na higit sa 20. Samantala, hindi lang mga mambabata sa Senado ang nagkakaroon ng bangayan hinggil sa usapin sa West Philippine Sea. Sa Kamara, nagkainitan sina Minority Floor Leader at 4-piece party list Representative Marcelino Libanan at Cagayan de Oro 2nd District Representative Rufus Rodriguez. Sa isang privilege speech, ipinunto kasi ni Libanan na dapat ay maging profesional ang mga opisyal ng gobyerno sa paglalabas ng pahayag. Nakalaunan ay tinukoy niya si PCG spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, dahil sa naging pag-alma ng Chinese Embassy nang gawa ng caricature si Chinese President Xi Jinping. Hindi nagustuhan ni Rodriguez ang sinabi ng kapwa mambabatas na tila pagdepensaan niya sa China.
I am insulted that a member of this Congress will stand up in favor of China. Madam Speaker, J. Tariela is doing his job as spokesman of the Philippine Coast Guard because the very reason why this spokesman has to move and act is because China has been violating the sovereign rights of the Filipino people, the Republic of the Philippines. For so many years, I cannot understand why we are protecting China, who has been the cause of all this aggression.
I am not defending China, Madam Speaker. As I said in my speech, what I am saying is that we have to act with professionalism, discipline, and manage our international relations properly, Madam Speaker.
Nagbanta naman si Rodriguez na maghahain ng ethics complaint laban kay Libanan. Para naman sa AFP, malinaw anila ang saklaw ng West Philippine Sea at ang kanilang tungkulin na protektahan ito.
The coordinates could be plotted out. Anybody will understand na ito ay maliwanag na sa atin 200 nautical miles, 24 nautical miles, 12 nautical miles from our baselines. Amid the noisy environment, your AFP will keep performing its mandate with our heads held high.
Patrick De Jesus para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.